Yum. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the Vellabox for May of 2025. I absolutely love Vellabox. Y'all know you've seen it on the channel many times, and I'm super excited to dive into this one. If you are unfamiliar with Vellabox, they are a candle subscription where every month they will send you a candle. They have 3 different tiers of pricing and sizing, so I'll put that up on the screen. I do have the biggest one here, which they were kind enough to send to me. Every single month, Vellabox partners with a candle maker across the US to bring you a new candle to try. Based on the scent profile that you fill out, they will match you with the perfect candle for you, and you get to support a small business while trying new candles every month. Plus, you do also get a free gift in every box as well. I have a code that will save you 50% off of your first box, so I will put that down in the description and up on the screen so you can save yourself some money. So without further ado, let's open this up. So on the top here we have peace is the purest form of luxury. I love that. And we have our bag. It already smells so good. It smells so good in here. Let's start with our free gift. So this is the Adventurous body oil. Made with sweet almond oil, grapeseed, hazelnut, olive oil, jojoba, vitamin E, and fragrance. This is a $12 value. Bold and invigorating, this body oil blends earthy oak moss, warm amber, and bright bergamot for a scent that's fresh, grounding, and effortlessly adventurous. Lightweight and nourishing, it leaves your skin hydrated with a subtle, lasting fragrance, perfect for whatever the day takes you. Sweet, okay, love that. I love a body oil. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh. Oh yeah, definitely getting that bergamot. It's super, super clean. This is a really good summery body oil. I don't feel like this is going to be too thick and greasy for the summertime. It just makes my skin feel hydrated and moisturized. And I really, really like how it smells. So yummy. Okay, I really like that. Then our candle maker this month is Cambridge and Dell from Cincinnati, Ohio. They were tired of harmful chemicals lurking in their conventional products, so Amy and Gretchen found a better way. Since 2023, they've been developing unique blends using 100% soy wax, cotton wicks, and premium fragrance without parabens, phthalates, petroleum, Prop 65 chemicals, or cruelty. Their mission is simple: to offer beautiful, healthy, and sustainable products that bring joy and tranquility to your home. And then they do also give you a code so you can save money off of any purchases from them. And my candle this month is the Yuzu Peach. I'm so excited about this. Always comes in these really pretty bags. These are super versatile. I love using these for gift giving, for crafting, for organization, and I just think they're so beautiful. And I love that they're different every month. It makes it extra special. So this is our candle. Ooh, very, very minimal and simple. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that's delicious. My husband is not a big peach fan, and I think this is gonna be just the right amount of peach that he's gonna really like it. So before I read the scent notes, I want to go ahead and kind of do my best to explain to you what I think it smells like. Okay, so I think this smells very much like a white peach, a super juicy white peach. It doesn't smell artificial at all. It has like a little bit of honey, maybe some agave or like a nectar in there. Kind of smells like a really good smoothie on the beach. I really like it. It is delicious. It smells so fresh and clean and summery. This is part of the sweet and spicy scent profile, so if that is what your profile leads to, this is the candle you would receive. Let's read the scent notes on here. So it says this is grapefruit, mandarin, jasmine, sea salt, yuzu, amber, cedar, and sandalwood. I definitely picked up on a couple of those. I didn't really feel like I got the grapefruit scent, but I would absolutely say the yuzu, the amber, and the mandarin came through. There's a little bit of that jasmine and the sea salt for sure. It says a perfectly balanced, radiant fragrance. Bright yuzu and sun-ripened peach bring a refreshing sweetness, while delicate florals and a touch of sea salt add a breezy coastal charm. Warm amber and smooth sandalwood create a grounding finish. I would absolutely agree with that. That's very much how I described it for myself. Excited about this one. I definitely really like the scent of it, and I think this is gonna be a perfect summer scent for me. I'm excited to see what my husband thinks because I think that he's gonna really like it, even though he's not a peach fan, which makes me really happy. So I always love a candle that everybody loves. It smells so good, even just like not being burnt with the lid off. I love it. If you're interested in trying Vellabox, definitely use my code to save yourself 50% off your first purchase. I know that you are going to love them. And thank you so much to Vellabox for sending these to me. I love working with you every single month, and I love my Vellabox candles. It's such a great gift idea for you, for yourself, for someone else in your life that you want to celebrate and love on. I definitely think we could all use a little bit more of that, and this is such a great way to bring a little bit of joy and peace and happiness into your home. So big, huge fan of Vellabox, and I just cannot rave about them enough. So thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. As always, I really appreciate having you here, and I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe so I can see you in the next one. If you do, I will see you then, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!